In this example, we're looking at scientific notation. The first part of the example asks us to take decimals and convert them into scientific notation, and in the second part we've been asked to take scientific notation and write it in decimal form. Let's start off with 23,890. You should recall that scientific notation requires us to write our answer in the form of a value times 10 to some power. The value at the front needs to take between 1 and 10. The power can be anything. So 23,890 in scientific notation is 2.3890 times 10 to some power. To find out that power, we need to see how many places we need to move our decimal point. If I put my decimal point in here, I see to get it to 2.3890, I need to move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. So it's going to be 10 to the power of 4. So 23,890 can be written as 2.3890 times 10 to the 4. If we look at 0.0889, that can be written as 8.89 times 10 to the power of, and I need to see how many places I've moved my decimal point. I've gone 1, 2 this time, but I've gone 2 to the right. So that means it's a power of minus 2. So 0.0889 can be written as 8.89 times 10 to the minus 2. So we've converted decimals into scientific notation. You can also be required to convert scientific notation into decimal form. So let's take 2.5 times 10 to the 3. What we're going to do, we're going to write out 2.5 and lots of zeros. And we need to move our decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. So that gives us 2500.00. We don't need to worry about the zeros after our decimal point. We can see that 2.5 times 10 to the 3 is 2,500. Now, for 3.56 times 10 to the minus 4, when it's minus, we put in lots of zeros before the start of our number. So we're going to put in 0.356. And as it's minus, I move my decimal point to the left. And I move it 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see we have 0.000356. Now we don't need to worry about all these zeros at the beginning. We just want that first one there. So we'll say that 3.56 times 10 to the minus 4 is 0.00356. 0.00356.